One, two, three,
go!
Hi guys! We are Dead Band!
I'm Theodore and I'm the drummer. I've been playing drums for 7 coming 8 years.
My name is Asina and I've been playing guitar for 5 years.
Hello, my name is Trudy and actually I play a keyboard, but this time I want to sing. All 3 of us are from the same CCA,
which is
Musicians Club.
We are like fragments from different bands. It started as a alliance kind of thing because during a particular concert we needed bassists and then we needed pianists kind of thing. So this is how it actually got together.
Our genre is kind of like pop punk and we are inspired by the band Paramore.
She got her feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh.
So why did you decide to join VOMG?
Because Putra is my inspiration.
Wow!
Yeah.
I don't think I can.
We just want the audience to have a enjoyable time with us, jam with us.
So what is the one statement that embodies your band philosophy? What is the message you want to give to your audience through your music?
Music and fun will never die.
Hi guys!
We're not this band,
We're not this band.
So we are Dead Band.
so come on down to VOMG 2015 to support us now.
See you there.
See you, bye bye.
Bye.